an overbought daily. Let's look at our daily, what the daily have for us. I think we'll have a clear indication of the direction from the day. All right, let's look at the daily. My daily is here. The daily gives us a clear indication of what may likely happen. My daily here. Yeah. So here, my expectation here is that BTC may likely move down to this point, which is 22,788, or hit at this point before we have the massive dump. So we may likely have a massive dump anytime this week from here. If it maintains this upward movement up to this point, then expect a very serious massive movement, massive dump, and it will dump and possibly go below the support we had last time. So it's a time to be very vigilant and careful, because BTC at this point is very volatile, and the pressure of the bears are so high. The pressures of the bears are so high, so we need to be very careful. I expect, and the interest rate is increasing because of this little movement. So if the interest rate is being sustained by the bulls, we expect it to go upper, then it will be dumped. So when it dumps, so my expectations here, is to move from this position, though this candle is moving down, to move to this position, or possibly meet at 22,500 before we'll see a massive dump. From any of this position, either 22 or 24. So we expect a very long massive dump from there. So this is the idea, and this is my opinion on the market presently. So we ought to trade carefully, and please do not hold any crypto for now. Thank you, and God bless you.